Hey, what's up, guys? So we are here today with another unboxing of iPhone 8 Pluses. So you all guys know that we unboxed recently this iPhone 8 Plus, that is space gray, on the Everything Tech Pro channel. So yeah, guys, so this is that box, and we bought another two iPhones. So these are my brother's iPhone, whose channel name is Everything B Tech Pro, and go check out his channel. He's very great guy. And yeah, so these are his two iPhones, and one will he will hold, and this is another one which I am holding, is gold one, and he is showing you the silver one. So you all guys know that you can see at the behind the box, this is a 64 GB version, and this is also a 64 GB version. And as you guys can see, in at the front of the box both have that backside of the phone, as the space gray one also have, and at the sides iPhone, and at this side we also have iPhones, and at the bottom and top we have Apple that logos, and at the bottom we got our IMEI number, serial numbers, and not much more. So yeah, guys, so we'll unbox these guys one by one. First, my brother will take one iPhone and he'll unbox it. So yeah, he's taking the silver one to unbox, and see the see the noise of this package. This is too satisfying. Okay, hold carefully. And yeah, guys, so this is the box of 8 Plus. Very clean looking, as you guys can see. The lights are glowing, and the box have this outer feeling to it, that is phone's feeling, that is pretty much good. So yeah, my brother will unbox this one. So let's get started with the unboxing. And first we get the paperwork that says designed by Apple in California, and my brother will see what's inside it. And we got our favorite Apple stickers, and we got that physical of screen and welcome to iPhone, that paperwork. Simple things are there, okay. And symmetric. So now we have put in the paperwork aside, and we are taking out the phone itself, and this is the silver one. And as you guys can see from the front, it looks amazingly good and very cool. And at the sides we have that silver aluminum, as all that previous iPhones came. And this is the beautiful looking iPhone 8 Plus, as you guys can see, with no app that labels. It looks really clean, and wow, guys, as you guys can see, space gray one was also a great phone, and wow, this color also looks awesome on this one. And let's keep the phone aside, and my brother will put it aside and show you what's inside the box. So mainly simple Apple accessories, and we got the power brick, and it's 5-watt power brick. All iPhones come with this one, it's standard in all of them. And some earpods, my brother will show, with a connector at the back, which iPhone 10s and 10R and 10s Max are missing these years. So take care, guys, this will come only in the 8 Plus and 7 Plus. This is exclusive to that only. And we got our really good and not good but standard quality lightning cable. So yeah, let's keep this aside, guys. We started this 8 Plus silver color, and let's give the physical overview. So at the bottom we get lightning port, speaker, microphone, and a touch ID home button. Then we got the stereo speaker sorry, I was wrong in this one. This is the speaker for calling, and it also doubles up as stereo speaker. And we got our front FaceTime HD full HD camera, 1080p recording, and we got our sensors. And at the top we have nothing, very clean looking. At the side we have that Apple's traditional beautiful switch that we all love, and volume rockers. And at this side there's nothing. And at this side we got our nano SIM tray with the power button and antenna lines, which look amazing on this one. So yeah, guys, this is the phone. As you guys can see, it's booted up, and there is no phone, and it's have a pretty much good juice in it. So yeah guys, this is on I mostly be on 11.4.1. so yeah guys, let's keep it aside. We have another big buddy for unbox. We have the most beautiful color. This is the gold 64GB variant. So yeah guys, I'll show you this one. The pretty much satisfying Apple packaging. Yeah, so you hear the plastic voice. I love that. This is pretty much satisfying. So my brother will lit up the box. So yeah guys, as you guys can see, beautiful, another 8 plus, and this is the third one. This was the first, and this is the second one to unbox. This is the third one. And yeah guys, normally we get the paperwork, simple. That is the welcome to iPhone, then SIM ejector pin, then Apple warranty SAR information. Then what about to talk about stickers? They are amazing, so you can paste it at the back of your car like most of Indians do. So the most awaited and beautiful color of 8 plus is here with us guys. Let's lift it up. So this iPhone I am showing you because I love this color. And you can see pretty rose feel to it, rose gold feel to it, and I love this color. The creamish look at the back is just amazing with this clean iPhone logo and the Apple logo. I love this one. This one is amazingly cool iPhone. At the side you get that volume rockers, and yeah guys, same as we got volume rockers. Bottom is also same, everything is same in this one also. So yeah, very beautiful iPhones. Let's turn it on and I'll show you so that it boots up. And yeah, so let's keep it aside. Same thing in the box, so as shown in the previous box. So I think there is no need to show that simple AirPods with the lightning cable, 5-watt USB power. So guys, these are the two iPhones, and my brother will show you the color differences between them. So let's flip this iPhones, and this is the color difference between these two iPhones. Sorry guys, I don't have for the reference the space gray one. This is not charged, so I don't have this one. And so yeah guys, this is the color difference between these two 8 pluses, and this is the unboxing of the iPhone 8 plus and the with the new colors. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. As always guys, stay tuned to our both channels, so the link will be in the descriptions of the both channels. Please go and subscribe everything Tech Pro, everything B Tech Pro. So these are the two both channels of our brothers. So yeah guys, please support us. We need your support, and we will get you these type of videos every time. So yeah guys, please, we need your support. Thank you guys, stay subscribed. We'll soon come back with another video of this review.